So welcome back to the channel, back again with another quick video. And today we're talking a little bit about the new CB1000 Hornet, which is set to replace the beloved Honda CB1000R Neo Retro Sports Cafe Racer. So this video, I'm gonna quickly go into some of the details. A lot's gonna change. I'm gonna let you know what I think as far as the price point, as far as what it looks like. This isn't the first time I kind of rumored about the changes that Honda is gonna make, but we're gonna jump into the details in a little bit. Is Honda making a good move by switching up the CB1000R and favoring the new CB Hornet? Let's jump into it. Alright, so of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. So this time I'm reading a little bit from Cycle World. I'll link the full article in the description. Title of this one, it's Honda CB1000 Hornet First Look. So notice that the CB1000, the R is removed from the name of the new CB1000, essentially discontinued, and they're moving forward with the Hornet. Let's go ahead and dive in. So quick look, and I'll jump into more of what it looks like here in a little bit. A lot of changes on the body itself, and I rumored this in a video I did a couple months back. First of all, the Neo Retro look is gone, and what they opted to do is go with the Hornet look like a Ducati Street Fighter. You can see double headlights, got the Street Fighter look. Besides that, it looks pretty similar, more aggressive, and there's a lot more changes that we're going to read about, so let's just jump right into it. All right, so Honda's been offering the CB1000R base on old generation CBR1000RR for many years ago, but for 2024 there's a new approach and new style in the CB1000 Hornet, hence the new name, adopting the Hornet title to conform with the CB750 Hornet and the newly launched CB5000 Hornet. The upcoming CB1000 Hornet is also taking their approach, dropping the old CBR's exotic semi-retro style and single-sided swing arm in favor of a straightforward roadster look and tech. All right, so yes, the single-sided swing arm is gone. I like the single-sided swing arm. I feel like that makes it a little bit more premium, more exotic, but Honda had other ideas in mind. All right, so here's a straight side look, and like I said, it looks really similar, guys. Definitely looks more aggressive as far as the seating position. The tank looked like it sits a little bit higher. Of course, the front end's changed. Exhaust is similar to what we saw. Super naked in the front. But let's go ahead and read on some more. All right, so underneath, the new twin spar steel frame replaces the CB1000R spine style design, and it carries a 2017 spec CB1000RR engine in returned form, including 3 riding modes, an assistant slipper clutch, and Honda HSTC or traction control system at the back of a dual-sided swing arm instead of the CB1000R single-sider, with a Showa monoshock and a ProLink rise and rate linkage, while the front suspension is a USD Showa SFF BP fork, fully adjustable for rebound and preload dampening. Some of the changes that they just mentioned, the engine changed a little bit. Of course, they went away from the single-sided swing arm to the standard dual-sided. Adjustability, just like in the previous generation. So radial front pot brakes grip, lightweight 310mm rotors at the front, and the tires are the 17 inches you would expect, with 120/70 up front and 180/55 in the rear. 5-inch TFT with phone connectivity via RoadSync app is standard, along with full LED lighting. All right, let's talk about the Honda RoadSync app. I own the 2022 CB1000R. While the RoadSync app is available in certain areas, it's not available in the US and it's not available in Canada. So basically, you have a motorcycle with a feature that you can't use because of geographic reasons. I don't care if it's a licensing issue. I bought the motorcycle. I should be able to use the tech. That's my stance on that. All right, so here's a look at the rear. Again, nothing special. And when I say that, I mean nothing special as far as I'm happy that I'm able to brag about my single-sided swing arm. I took off the can as soon as I got it and got a smaller muffler just to kind of expose that a little bit. But now there's not much to show. I think Honda kind of missed the mark here by not keeping that single-sided swing arm. So not expected to reach dealers until middle 2024 at the earliest. The CB1000 Hornet has still to reveal its specification. In terms of power, Honda says only it makes over 147 braking horsepower and has more than 73.8 foot-pounds of torque. There's no word yet on the weight or the dimensions, and it's unclear whether the new model will replace the CB1000R or supplement it in a big red range. All right, so that's a lot being said without being said. So I don't think they're gonna continue with the Neo Sport Retro if they're coming out with an exact replica. It seemed like with a few minor changes. Doesn't make sense for them to have two of the same bikes in the lineup. So I do think they're gonna drop the CB1000R Neo Sports Cafe. As far as this, I was told it comes in 3 colors. It comes with the silver that you see in there. It also comes in white, and also comes in red, which I think the red looks really good. Besides that, I think seeing this bike in person is gonna really tell a lot. Single-sided swing arm, disappointment. The headlight or the new front end, the Street Fighter look, I'll have to see it before I knock it, because just looking at it from the picture, I know it's not going to give me justice, and I don't like it. I don't prefer this over the current model. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. CB1000R or the CB1000 Hornet, side by side, if this was your next bike, which one would you pick and why? If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.